Hi Richard, how have you found the course today?
I found it phenomenal, to be quite honest with you. It was full of energy and full of passion for the topic. Something, of course, as I mentioned, this course was one that I wanted to do from probably pre-pandemic stages. So I'm delighted to be up here and having attended. It's been a great day.
Excellent. What was the biggest thing that you learned today? What was the most, what's the biggest fundamental from the concept that you've learned and you're going to take away from today?
I think it's probably what you can do with the provisionals, and the biology or physiology behind it, the healing of the gum really, and the preserving the clot. Similar to the use of Prama implants, which I've used for a while. This was the sort of missing link really. It's good to know that you can manipulate the gum in that way, and some of the results that you showed us were really excellent.
Oh, fantastic. And do you feel confident after attending this course today that you'll be able to implement some of these skills in your practice?
Yes, for sure. Yeah, no, I thought that the course covered everything. I think it'll be done slowly. I'll book plenty of time. I did struggle a wee bit with getting the temporaries in place to start with, but again, that's from the way we're trained. Don't take too much tooth away when actually, it needs to be approached in a slightly different way, but that approach gives you different results and far better results than the conventionally, and the way we're